Meanwhile, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness revealed that Parottee residents will be relocated. He was speaking at the NHT Malvern Housing Development handing over ceremony today. Battered by storm surge and rising sea levels during Hurricane Melissa, the coastal community of Parottee has been left vulnerable, its future now uncertain.
Your brothers and sisters who are on the coast in Parottee, an area that was badly damaged, which I toured, which is quite clear that the cost of reconstruction there would be quite higher than the houses that you're trying to save.
The government has made it clear that the area will not be rebuilt as is. Instead, residents will be relocated in a phased process aimed at protecting both lives and livelihoods.
We have already indicated to the people of Parottee that that area has to be relocated. And we will do it in such a way that their livelihood will be preserved, the value of their asset will be preserved, but most importantly, their dignity will be preserved.
Central to that plan is the deployment of 2,500 semi-permanent modular housing units purchased by the National Housing Trust at a cost of over $29 million.
These units will form the basis of the government's response for persons who must be relocated from areas that have been significantly damaged, or for persons who have lost everything and are not able to rebuild.
St. Elizabeth is expected to receive the bulk of these units, with designated housing clusters already identified. Authorities say relocation will not happen overnight, but through careful consultation.